Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to connect a Bluetooth mouse to your MacBook. It's super simple. Let's start. First, click on the Apple logo at the top left of your screen. Go to System Settings. Then, select Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Now, turn on your Bluetooth mouse. Most mouse have a small button to enable pairing. Press and hold it until the indicator light starts flashing. That means it's ready to connect. On your MacBook, you'll see a list of available devices. Look for your mouse's name, usually something like Bluetooth mouse or the brand name.
Click Connect.
In a few seconds, your MacBook will pair with the mouse. Now try moving the mouse around. If the cursor moves smoothly, congratulations, you've successfully connected your Bluetooth mouse to your MacBook. And that's it. Super easy, right? If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.